Session hijacking concepts. This topic explores how attackers take over active sessions between users and services. Imagine sneaking into a theater after someone opens the door. You're inside without buying a ticket. In cybersecurity, session hijacking allows an attacker to impersonate a user by stealing or predicting session tokens. It typically targets web sessions, remote access connections, or network protocols with weak validation. Tools and techniques like sniffing, token prediction, or cross-site scripting are used to capture valid sessions. Once hijacked, attackers can act as the victim, accessing resources without detection. Understanding this attack is critical for recognizing weak session handling. Attackers exploit poor session management to bypass authentication. Defenders implement strong token validation and HTTPS to protect sessions. This topic builds awareness of session control as a security boundary. Knowing how sessions are hijacked helps reinforce authentication layers and prevent silent takeovers in real-world attacks. Application-level session hijacking. This topic explains how web applications can be tricked into accepting stolen session identifiers. Think of a hotel keycard. If someone gets your card, they have access to your room. Here, attackers target the application layer, often through insecure cookies or URL-based tokens. Common techniques include cross-site scripting, session fixation, or man-in-the-browser attacks. Attackers inject or reuse valid session IDs to gain unauthorized access to user accounts. This highlights a critical weakness in how web apps handle session validation and token lifespan. The goal is to impersonate users within the application environment. By abusing application logic, attackers bypass login mechanisms and gain session-level access. Defenders must enforce secure cookies, HTTPS, and regenerate tokens post-authentication. Understanding this helps developers secure user sessions end-to-end. It ensures applications don't trust user input blindly, a must for real-world web security resilience. Network-level session hijacking. This topic covers the interception of active sessions across insecure or unencrypted network paths. Picture someone tapping into a phone call and pretending to be you, mid-conversation. It's the same with network-level hijacking. Attackers intercept or desynchronize sessions to take over communication. This is commonly executed over protocols like Telnet, FTP, or unsecured Wi-Fi using packet sniffers. Once session identifiers or credentials are captured, the attacker injects their own packets. They trick the server into continuing the session with them instead of the original user. This undermines authentication by exploiting session continuity. It's a critical risk in flat, unsecured network environments. Attackers monitor and manipulate network traffic to hijack session state. Defenders must use encrypted protocols and session integrity checks. This topic reinforces why transport security is vital. It's the shield against silent takeover via the wire. Session hijacking tools. This topic focuses on tools that capture and manipulate active user sessions in real time. Imagine using a master key to open any door in a building. These tools act like that. They automate complex tasks like sniffing, injection, and spoofing to hijack sessions. Popular tools include Ettercap, Ferret, and SSL-Strip, each specializing in different session hijack techniques. Here, we'll demonstrate Ettercap, a powerful network-level tool for man-in-the-middle attacks. We use it to intercept HTTP sessions and extract credentials from unencrypted traffic. The tool silently monitors traffic and takes over active sessions without alerting the user. From the output, we confirm session control and credential capture. This gives attackers direct access into user accounts. Defenders need to detect such tools via intrusion detection and enforce encrypted channels. Understanding these tools is key for both attack simulation and developing countermeasures against session compromise. Session hijacking countermeasures. This topic addresses how to defend against attackers trying to take control of active sessions. Think of adding a deadbolt, security camera, and alarm to your front door, layered defense. Session security starts with strong token generation, short lifetimes, and secure handling. Transport security like HTTPS and VPNs protect session data from being intercepted. Servers must validate tokens strictly and regenerate them after login events or privilege changes. Client-side defenses include secure cookie attributes like HTTP only and same site. Advanced systems use multi-factor authentication and session binding to IP or device fingerprints. These techniques make session hijacking far more difficult. Defenders aim to ensure sessions are private, verified, and short-lived. They reduce the attacker's window and opportunity. Understanding these countermeasures equips security teams to build resilient web and network applications. It's about making sure that only the right person stays in control of every session.